Will your credit be ruined if you file bankruptcy? Your credit is not hurt by the bankruptcy itself. What hurts your credit is that the debts are not paid. The way to rebuild your credit is to buy an inexpensive item on time and pay for it, then buy something else and pay for it, etc. Bankruptcy will stay on your credit report for up to 10 years, but if you have a decent income, you will find credit. With over 1 million people a year filing bankruptcy, creditors would run out of customers if they refused to extend credit to everyone who has filed bankruptcy. Are you considering filing for bankruptcy in Folsom, California? The team at the law offices of Diane Anderson has the expertise to help you navigate your way to financial freedom. Request a consultation by visiting our website at www.bankruptcy-info.com.